My name's Darren Nelson, and this is my dad, Neil Nelson, and my brother, Neil Nelson. We're all third and fourth generation wheat farmers out here. We're located about 14 miles northeast of Waterville. And today we're just doing a little bit of repairs on our semi, on our trailer over there in the back, as you can see. Our crew is getting ready to head out probably about the 20th day of harvest, and we've got about another 8 or 9 days to go until we're finished this year. Our great-grandpa, Nils Peter Nelson, came here in 1888 from Denmark via Ellis Island in 2 years of working on a farm in North Dakota. And here we're looking at our big red barn built in 1915 by Pete Christensen. Housed all the mules they used for harvest back in the day, and then around the late 20s, after they sold the horses, they converted it to use more for modern-day tractors. This photo shows Nels and his wife Inger and their family in their 1914 Model T Ford at the farm during wheat harvest in 1915. That's a new horseless combine that they bought that year for $4,000. It was one of the first horseless combines in the Northwest.
Snow really helped us with our crop. It's been a dry summer and spring, but we still have a good crop. We thought that maybe the kernels would be all pinched up and shriveled, but they're not. They're nice and plump. So the price of wheat is very good right now, and I just hope it holds for a while.
Best prices you've ever seen, right?
Best prices I've ever seen. That's right. We sold a lot of wheat at $2.80. It's remarkable. It's this high.
How high is it?
It's around $7.70 right now for soft white wheat. That's really good.